Everyone tells you to just work harder or wake up earlier to be productive. But what if I told you that's actually the fastest way to get stuck in mediocrity? Most productivity advice is quietly sabotaging you. Imagine finishing more in a day than most people do in a week without burning out. Sounds illegal, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to hack your brain and workflow so productivity feels almost unfair. But first, you need to understand why the usual methods fail. Here's the truth. Your brain doesn't respond to brute force. Our attention spans peak at about 52 minutes before crashing, and multitasking makes you slower, not faster. And yet, we keep grinding the wrong way. Understanding how your brain actually works lets you accomplish more in less time and feel energized while doing it. This isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter, and science shows it works. We're going to break this down into 4 pillars. Each one is a trap you probably fall into, followed by the exact fix. By the end, you'll see productivity not as a chore, but as a flow state you can switch on at will. And spoiler, the first pillar might feel impossible until you see why pillar 2 is the missing piece. Master your energy, not your time. Most people try to maximize productivity by scheduling every minute, but if your energy is low, scheduling won't help. Picture your brain like a smartphone battery. No amount of planning matters if it's dead. I used to force myself through endless mornings of work, drinking coffee like it was life support. By noon, I'd crash. Sound familiar? The trick is working with your natural energy cycles. Studies show people have peaks and troughs in alertness. Identify your high energy blocks, maybe 9 to 11 a.m., and save low energy periods for repetitive tasks. Suddenly, tasks that once took hours feel like minutes. And here's why understanding energy isn't enough. Because the next pillar will reveal how your brain tricks you into procrastination, even during high energy periods. Outsmart procrastination with micro-commitments. Ever sit down to work and nothing? You're not lazy. Your brain is wired to avoid tasks with uncertain outcomes. This is called decision fatigue. I'd stare at a blank document, promising myself, I'll write 1 paragraph, then end up scrolling social media for an hour. The fix is micro-commitments. Break tasks into tiny steps. Want to write an essay? Start with 1 sentence. Harvard research shows small, incremental progress activates your brain's reward system, making you far more likely to continue. Think of it like pushing a boulder uphill. 1 small nudge at a time eventually reaches the peak. But micro-commitments alone don't create extreme productivity. That's where the next pillar comes in, and it involves a surprisingly counterintuitive use of distractions. If this is helping, hit like. It tells me to make more. Strategic distraction. Distraction sounds like the enemy, but fighting it nonstop actually backfires. Studies show that taking controlled breaks improves focus by up to 30%. Your brain isn't a machine, it's a network of neural trails. Constant work erodes these paths. Brief mental diversions like a walk, a song, or a 5-minute stretch reinforce your focus when you return. I used to grind nonstop and end every day exhausted and unproductive. Now, I time distractions strategically. The Pomodoro method, 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes break, isn't a gimmick. It's your brain's natural rhythm in action. Suddenly, long projects feel doable, almost effortless. And here's the kicker. Combining these micro breaks with the final pillar makes your output feel almost illegal. Layer habits like compound interest. Extreme productivity isn't just about what you do today. It's about building systems that multiply over time. Think of habits like money in a bank account. Saving a little consistently grows exponentially. I used to rely on willpower alone. 1 bad day, and my system collapsed. The fix is habit stacking. Morning energy peak, deep work. After deep work, micro break. Afternoon, lighter tasks. James Clear explains that compounding tiny wins, like finishing a single paragraph or responding to an email immediately, leads to huge momentum. Neuroscience confirms it. Repeated actions strengthen neural pathways, making productivity automatic. This principle works everywhere: sports, learning languages, creativity, because your brain rewards consistency. Let's recap. By mastering energy cycles, using micro-commitments, strategically embracing distractions, and compounding habits, you're no longer fighting your brain, you're hacking it. Here's the challenge. Pick 1 task you've been avoiding and apply all 4 pillars today. Work during your energy peak, break it into micro steps, take smart breaks, and build momentum. Watch how it transforms not just your productivity, but your confidence. Think about it. What if extreme productivity isn't about working harder, but about working with your brain? That's not just efficient, it's revolutionary. And now, it's yours to try. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't miss the next productivity hack.